Best cordless drills. Are you looking for the best cordless drills? In this video we will look at some of the best cordless drills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Milwaukee 2904-20 Hammer Drill. Milwaukee delivers outstanding power and efficiency in an impressively compact form with this half-an-inch hammer drill. Despite its small size, the tool produces a remarkable 1,400 inch-pounds of maximum torque and reaches speeds up to 2,100 revolutions per minute. While it isn't the absolute fastest model available, it consistently delivers high-level performance across a variety of tasks. In testing, it powered through half-an-inch drill bit and 1-inch spade bit applications with ease, showing no signs of strain. It also performed exceptionally well when drilling 1/4-inch holes into concrete, demonstrating its capability in tougher materials. One standout advantage is its 3-speed transmission. Most hammer drills only offer 2, which gives users more control when switching between heavy-duty drilling and precision screw driving. What makes this drill even more impressive is how Milwaukee manages to pack so much performance into such a compact body. Measuring just under 7 inches in length and weighing only 3.3 pounds, tool only, it remains easy to handle, maneuver, and use for extended periods without fatigue. The lightweight design doesn't compromise safety either. The built-in auto-stop feature prevents dangerous over-rotation by shutting down the motor if the bit binds, adding an extra layer of protection during demanding tasks. While this Milwaukee hammer drill may not claim the title of the single most powerful or fastest tool on the market, its excellent balance of size, weight, performance, and thoughtful features makes it one of the most well-rounded options available. It's a top choice for users seeking both strength and versatility in a compact package. Number 2. Skil PWRCORE Drill Driver Kit. The Skil PWRCORE drill delivers an impressive amount of performance for its compact size and budget-friendly price. With a maximum speed of 1,800 revolutions per minute and 400 inch-pounds of torque, it stands out as a strong contender among affordable cordless drills. In testing, it drilled a half-inch hole through a 2x4 in just 3 seconds, an impressive result for a tool in this price class. Its performance with a 1-inch spade bit was more mixed, as the bit occasionally bound in the wood during repeated drilling. However, when used as a driver, the drill performed reliably, driving 3-inch screws with ease and without any hesitation. Weighing only 2.23 pounds, tool only, and measuring just 6.1 inches in head length, the Skil PWRCORE is one of the lightest and most maneuverable 20-volt drills available. Its slim profile and low weight make it especially comfortable to handle during extended projects or overhead tasks. While it doesn't come with many advanced features found in high-end models, it still includes 2 useful speed settings and a built-in LED work light for improved visibility in darker workspaces. What truly sets this drill apart is its exceptional value. Premium cordless drill kits can easily cost $300 or more, but the Skil 20-volt drill kit comes in at just $80. When you combine its accessible price with its solid performance and user-friendly design, the Skil PWRCORE stands out as an excellent budget pick for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone in need of a reliable, affordable drill. Number 3. Flex 24V Brushless Cordless Hammer Drill. Flex has built a reputation for producing cordless tools with exceptional power, and this cordless drill stays true to that legacy. Delivering a massive 1,400 inch-pounds of torque and reaching speeds up to 2,500 revolutions per minute, it dominated every test thrown its way. During performance testing, it drilled 5 half-an-inch holes and 5 1-inch spade bit holes in under 3 seconds each, operating with impressive smoothness and zero hesitation. To push its limits further, I tested it on a cement block using a 3/8 inch bit, an area where many cordless drills begin to struggle. The Flex surprised me by powering through the cement with consistent strength, refusing to bog down. Its power comes from a robust 24-volt motor paired with a high-capacity battery system. While this setup boosts performance, it also adds weight. The drill weighs 3.9 pounds bare and nearly 6 pounds when equipped with the included 5.0Ah battery. Even so, the head length remains a manageable 7.1 inches, allowing for better maneuverability than you'd expect from such a powerful tool. Flex also equips this drill with an impressive feature set. A turbo mode boosts torque to maximum output when needed, while built-in rotation protection automatically stops the tool if sudden binding occurs, helping protect your wrist from injury. With premium power and advanced safety features, this drill is a serious tool built for demanding users. Though it costs more than many options on the list, anyone prioritizing raw performance and durability will find it well worth the investment. Number 4. DeWalt 20V Max XR Hammer Drill. The flagship model in DeWalt's cordless drill lineup stands out for its impressive power, speed, and overall versatility. During testing, it delivered some of the fastest performance results of any drill in the group. It bored a half-inch hole through a 2x4 in roughly half a second using a standard twist bit, and it completed a 1-inch hole with a paddle bit in a quick, consistent 3 seconds. These times were the best recorded among all the drills tested, showcasing the XR's excellent efficiency and strength. Despite all that power, the drill offers a high level of control. With 3 selectable speed settings, I could easily reduce its output for more delicate tasks. Combined with the ability to drop torque levels, this allows for precise screw driving without stripping heads or damaging materials. DeWalt also adds practical, user-focused features that enhance safety and convenience. The XR includes an anti-rotation protection system that automatically stops the motor if the drill detects sudden, excessive rotational force, an important safeguard that helps protect your wrist from injury. The built-in work light is another welcome touch, offering adjustability so you can direct illumination exactly where you need it in dim workspaces. While the tool isn't the lightest option at 4.1 pounds, tool only, it compensates with a compact 7.6-inch head length. This shorter profile helps the drill fit into tighter spaces more easily than many competing models. With its combination of speed, intelligence, and robust design, the DeWalt XR proves itself a top-tier cordless drill for demanding users. Number 5. Makita 18V LXT half-an-inch cordless hammer driver/drill. Makita's flagship hammer drill delivers serious power in a surprisingly compact form, making it one of the most capable tools in its class. With an output of 1,250 inch-pounds of torque and a maximum speed of 2,100 revolutions per minute, this drill had no difficulty powering through every test. It drove both a 1-inch spade bit and a half-an-inch twist bit cleanly through a 2x4, demonstrating impressive strength and consistency. Its hammer drill mode also proved highly effective, allowing me to bore 5/8-inch holes into concrete with steady performance and minimal slowdown, an ability that many standard drills struggle to match. Beyond drilling, the Makita XPH14 excels as a driver. By reducing the speed and lowering the torque settings, I was able to prevent overdriving and avoid stripping screw heads. With the right adjustments, the drill drove 3-inch wood screws into stacked 2x4s with accuracy and control every time. This balance of brute force and precision makes it suitable for both heavy-duty construction tasks and more delicate woodworking. Despite its high power output, the drill maintains a manageable size. Its 7-inch head length keeps it compact enough to fit into tighter workspaces. However, the tool does carry more weight than many competitors, coming in at 5.5 pounds without the battery. While this makes it one of the heavier drills tested, the added weight contributes to its rugged build and durable performance. For users who need a powerful, versatile hammer drill that can tackle demanding materials, the Makita XPH14 stands out as a reliable, professional-grade choice.